Hi, my busy bumblebees. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're going to do some exercises with your hands and fingers so they can be nice and strong. And after you finish your exercises, I have a surprise for you, a Kinder Egg. I can't wait to open it, so let's start. Exercise number 1. Hands down on the table. Flip. Flip. Go. Exercise number 2. Palm down, palm up, flip, go. Exercise number 3. Imagine you're catching the water. Put your palms together, make a cup, and catch the water. And then let go. Make a cup with your hands and let go. Exercise number 4. Place your palms on the table, open your fingers wide, and bring them close together. Go. Exercise number 5. Let's make our hand grow. Put it flat down on the table and make it grow on your fingers. Put your fingers straight on the table. Go. Other hand. Number 6. Put your hand up on the table and slowly close your fingers one by one. Go. Other hand. Exercise number 7. Place your hands together and bend your finger one at a time. Go. For exercise 8, 9, and 10, you will need a scarf or a terry cloth. Something soft and flexible. Place your hands flat on the table and do the spider fingers. Exercise number 9. You're going to make 2 fists with your hands. Exercise number 10. Start at the top and roll your scarf into something that looks like a hot dog. Go. Now let's open that Kinder Egg. Bye. See you next time.